Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 29th. The murder of Thomas Becket 1170. On December 29, 1170, Thomas Becket was brutally murdered inside Canterbury Cathedral. He was the Archbishop of Canterbury and one of the most powerful church leaders in England. For knights believed they were carrying out the wishes of King Henry II when they confronted him. They attacked Becket while he was praying in the cathedral. The shocking murder stunned people across Europe. After his death, Becket was declared a saint and became a strong symbol of church authority. Texas becomes a U.S. state 1845. On December 29, 1845, Texas officially became part of the United States. It was admitted as the 28th state of the nation. Before joining the U.S., Texas had existed as an independent republic for nearly 10 years. Many Americans supported Texas becoming a state because of its size and resources. However, the decision increased tensions over slavery. These tensions later contributed to the outbreak of the American Civil War. The Wounded Knee Massacre 1890. On December 29, 1890, U.S. soldiers killed hundreds of Native Americans at Wounded Knee in South Dakota. The victims were mostly members of the Lakota Sioux tribe. Soldiers had gathered the group to take away their weapons. During the process, a shot was fired, and panic spread quickly. More than 250 Native Americans were killed, including women and children. This tragic event marked the end of the Indian Wars in the United States. Japan leaves the Naval Treaty 1934. On December 29, 1934, Japan officially withdrew from the Washington Naval Treaty. The treaty was designed to limit the size of naval forces among major powers. Japan believed the agreement treated it unfairly compared to Western nations. By leaving the treaty, Japan gained freedom to expand its navy. This decision increased military tensions in the Pacific region. It also pushed the world closer to the events of World War II. Ireland gets its new name 1937. On December 29, 1937, Ireland officially changed its national name. The country was no longer known as the Irish Free State. Under a new constitution, it became simply Ireland, or Eire in the Irish language. This change reduced the political influence of Britain over the nation. The new constitution strengthened Ireland's independence. It marked an important step toward becoming a fully sovereign country. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.